Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. I'm out at doing a home inspection, and as it's titled How to Choose the Right Company and What Company to Choose. The bottom line is you have to choose a company that you feel comfortable for. Dryer vent safety is on the rise and people are becoming more aware, so there's more companies popping up left and right. There are some companies that are insured and bonded. There's some companies that are blow and goes. And there are some companies that this is what they do every day, and they are the local experts in your dryer vent needs. I pride myself on hoping that I am one of the local experts. I feel that the job that I perform is 100%, and I can do anything and everything to a dryer vent. But then I always get the question, why is your cost different from this cost? And I'm actually out on one of those jobs today. This lady called, not recently, or if she did, I didn't know about it. But this lady called, did some price quoting, and she found a cheaper company. And they came out, they hooked a blower up to the back of the dryer vent. They turned the blower on. They said, okay, you're cleaned out, and they left. The two things that I noticed is they left a plastic tube on the back of the dryer going into the wall, which is called the transition, which you can't use plastic because plastic in a heat source will melt. The next thing is I'm going to show you right now. As I said, they're a blow and go. So they hooked the blower up to the wall, they flipped it on, and you're probably wondering, well, if they cleaned it out right, why am I here? Well, I'm going to show you this. What they did is they blew everything to the exit and they left. So now, whatever was in her line is now stuck right there. Now, as you know, through other videos that I have shot, that if you put a leaf blower up or something of that nature, then that leaf blower will only get the loose air. Once you start agitating it, you'll get more lint and stuff like that. So here is a picture. I'm going to flip it around again just so you can see it. So they just blew it, and there you go. Notice there's not much fluff. You can see actual airflow coming through. You can see that lint breaking up, and that's just because the dryer can breathe. So notice the dryer is breathing. You can see the airflow. You can see the lint, thankfully, being able to release now. But before, as you could see, you couldn't release. So when you're making a decision on what company to use, the question is what is the value worth to you? Oh, wow, look at that. It just, all these clumps. And I've done nothing. The big thing is still there, but look at these clumps just flying out because the dryer can breathe. And this is because somebody took a blower, they put it on, they flipped it on, and they did nothing else. A customer ended up paying $70 for this service, and they're in a worse case than they were in the beginning. Now I'm out and they're paying my normal price for the job, and they did not benefit. So actually they ended up paying more money for my services. Well, not my services, but they ended up paying more money because whatever I charge them plus that $70 that they've already paid. So they didn't really save any money. So when it comes down to it, how much is your kids' safety, your family safety, your house safety, how much is that worth to you? Is it worth saving $50? Or would you go ahead and spend that extra $50? Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We have over 500 5-star reviews over 3 different platforms. We're certified. We're also bonded and insured. And there is no job too big or too small for us to do. We are serviced with integrity. And when we leave, you know that your job is completed. And it's completed correctly. And your house is safe. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.